Please tell me your full name and your age.
My name is Jeevan Budhathoki. I'm 36 years old,
And what is your religion?
Hindu.
Hindu, okay. Well, what kind of food do you prefer? Are you vegetarian? Do you also eat meat?
No meat, vegetarian.
Vegetarian, okay. Mm-hmm. And how many members do you have in your family?
My family member, 8 members.
8 members, okay. Are you married?
Yes, I'm
And
married.
do you have kids?
Yes, two.
Two, okay. And where have you worked before?
I'm working Saudi Arabia 2 years uh, cleaning. After Kuwait 4 years TUI, office boy. After Nepal factory, full plastic factory 1 years, 10 months.
Okay. And what job would you like to have here in Romania?
Factory work.
Do you think this job it is okay for you?
Sorry, ma'am.
Do you think this job is okay for you? Do you have experience in the metal work?
Metal work. I'm here working polythene factory,
Coal
plastic
fact.
handle bags,
Uh,
driving, light driving.
okay.
It's fact.
Okay, so if you want, I have a job for you in the coal factory. So
Yes.
they are working with the coal. You know, it's simple job. They are going to
Yes.
teach you exactly. It's not hard. Okay, do you want to go there and work?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So why would you like to work in Romania?
Romania.
Yes.
Uh, Factory working.
No, but why do you want to come here?
Uh, Family condition is not good. No money here. To come in Romania, working, uh, give money, help family.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much for the interview.
Okay.